Extreme drivers. Yes, you're probably one. You may think your customers have nothing in common with drag racer and rotary engine expert Rob Dahm, but in fact, they might be more similar than you would think. Sure, the drag racer, YouTuber, and rotary engine lover pulls G's on the drag strip, and your customers more than likely pull away less violently from the stoplight, but both of them are likely known as severe drivers. In reality, severe driving includes many factors that most people might consider normal driving. Driving with heavy loads, such as pulling a boat trailer, carrying a pickup truck load of topsoil, or even a van load of passengers. Operating a vehicle on rough roads or dusty environments. Heck, even the regular commute to work or trips running errands around town are likely severe driving. When an engine doesn't have the chance to warm up completely, moisture can accumulate in the crankcase. This moisture can then contaminate the oil. Not being able to burn off just remains inside the engine. This impacts the integrity of the lubricant and causes engine damage. Of course, oil that gets too hot can have problems of its own. As oil ages and is subjected to high heat, it starts to break down. High temperatures in oil can cause piston deposits, while at the same time causing the oil to oxidize, which increases its viscosity. When the viscosity is increased too much, it can start starving the main and rod bearings and starve the cylinder head of oil, causing even more wear. Today's cars have it a little easier than they used to because most of them come with oil change indicators telling drivers approximately when they should change the oil. But those indicators don't say what oil should be used. For that, your customers need to refer to their owner's manual. Today, engine oils are formulated to meet the most severe conditions any engine will be subjected to. But just as not every driver is the same type of severe, oils are available in multiple formulations engineered for different requirements. Automakers now require higher quality oils to protect their latest engine designs, along with a need for lubricants to offer greater contributions to fuel economy. ILSAC GF6A and GF6B improve upon GF5 specifications in fuel economy and fuel economy retention, engine durability, wear protection for idle stop, low-speed pre-ignition or LSPI minimization, piston cleanliness, and chain wear protection. Valvoline's multiple GF6 formulations for conventional synthetic high blend mileage and full synthetic products, as tested in the industry Sequence X-Chain wear test, are proven across specifications to provide as much as 40% better wear protection, delivering greater defense against engine breakdown. Behind the wheel, your customers may imagine themselves to be competing in the biggest race of the season, even when they're just heading to the grocery store. Under the hood, their engines may not know the difference. Be sure to help them make the right choice for their next oil change. Visit teamvalvoline.com to learn more. Thanks for being with us and have a great day.